Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a scroll to top button on your website. Like on this page, you can see this is the page of our own page. This is the home page of fastnova.com, and if you visit it and you started scrolling down, you can see you will not see anything apart from social media icon, which is around here. I have given a tutorial about it yesterday. We did it yesterday, we created it yesterday, so we are not seeing anything now as you are scrolling. But if you are scrolling, be inquisitive now, see what is going to happen. There's one thing that's going to happen around here, so let's go. That thing has appeared. You can see we call it scroll to top button. So if you click on it now, you go back to the top automatically without you needing to manually scrolling to the top by yourself. This thing is very good for a web page that is very long, or your website has a long content. You need to add that on your page so that people, when they click on it, they will be automatically redirected to the top of the page which they are viewing without wasting any second. It increases users' experience and it makes people love your website. This is one of its advantages. So at the bottom right here, if you click it, it will take us to the top. That is why we call it scroll to top button. And I'm going to show you how to create it using Elementor on a website without using premium plan of Elementor. If you are using premium plan, it's good for you, and if you are using free plan, it will be good for you as well, because it will not require any additional plugin apart from Elementor. So if you have Elementor on your website, then go and use this tutorial to know how to create a scroll to top button without putting. Now let's get started. For us to start, we are going to click edit with Elementor right here. The page was being loaded, and here we are going to add something around here by clicking this section. Click this plus icon to add widgets. Let's go for widget 1. One widget is okay. So let's search for icon. It is icon box we are going to use. So let's search for icons. This is icon we are going to use, and we drag and drop it here. It has been dropped. So the next thing we should do is change this to arrow. Arrow should be top, and click insert. It has been inserted. You can see it is not fixed, but it has to be fixed. So on this page already, we have a scroll to top button. So we are going to go to our one page like this, like on my website, and go to add this thing to it. Like my newsletter page, we don't have this scroll to top button, so I'm going to go there. You can see we don't have any add to top button here. What we have is social media icons. So I'm going to click edit with Elementor. Now we are going to click here to add one extra section. So let me click there, this plus button, click this plus button, select section. So we have now gotten one container, and it contains nothing. So I'm going to find icon here, drag and drop it here. So change it to arrow. This arrow resembles it. Then we click insert. It has been inserted. When you are scrolling like this, it follows the page. So let's go and add feature to it. Icon is chosen. Let me go to the advanced, and around widgets here, widgets, choose inline auto, and you can see it has disappeared. Since you choose inline auto, it has been, see where it is. So the next step we should do is we are going to give it a fixed position. The position is fixed, and this is the offset. We change it to percentage and give it 2 offsets or 1. Vertical orientation offsets, we change it to percentage as well, and we add something like 60. You can change the position, horizontal position, to the right. Now it is on the right, but this social media something is not allowing us to view it. Change it to the left so that you can see it very well. It should be around 65% is okay. Z index here, we are going to add 99.9 there, then click enter. So you can see it is now sticky. It is now in the same position. So when people are scrolling while viewing this page, it will remain static. But if you click it, it will not move because we do not give it link yet. So let's go back to the content, and you add, instead of link, go to the link and give it hash, enter hash there, so that when people click on it, they'll be automatically redirected to the top. So the next thing you should do is give it a style so that it matches our website. Primary color, go to the content, let's give it a view in a stack format, and this circle in square, should be square, and go to the style. Go to the padding to reduce the square style, give it 5, is okay. And then the color here, primary color, is going to be green. And that's it. And when they hover on it, secondary color should be white. When they hover on it, and primary color should be white. Primary color is white, and this secondary color should be, let's go back to my global color and select it from here. So when they click on it, they hover on it, the background color will change to white and the secondary color will change to this color, to green. So let's go and reduce it a little bit, size, reduce it to something of 30%, 35 pixel is good now on desktop. So when people click on it, automatically it's going to redirect them to the top of the page. So the next thing you should do is go to the advanced. So you are going to give it motion. So motion effects, it's full scroll effects. So go to the transparency so that it has the ability to be changing. As the people are scrolling, it can be changing. Then we click transparency. Fading is okay. You can choose fade out in, but I'm going to choose fade in. So, and we give it viewpoint here. Viewpoint at the bottom, let it be 9%, and at the bottom, let it be something of 15% or 45. And the effect relative to entire page. So what this means is that when people are at the top, this thing will not show to them, but when they start scrolling down the page, then it will start appearing a little bit. Can start appearing. So let's go back to the transparency and change the viewpoint a little bit. so that when people are at the top it will not show, but when they scroll down a little, yes, let's give it to the bottom 20%. And let's give it this one 50%. Yes, when people are at the top it will not show up, but when they started scrolling down it will show up like this. You can see it has started showing up, and if you hover your mouse on it, it will change to color. So it is different from other page. Even on this background here, it show up, the icon show up, and on this white plain something it show up. So this is how you can create this. I hope this article is very clear. So we are going to click update now to update it. It was being updated, so let's click here, and let's even click it to see it in action. So let's view it on a responsive device. Let's click the mobile phone, and this is how it's going to look on a desktop. So click this icon here on the navigator, and let's go to the style. For the style, we are going to reduce it to something like 30, so that I cannot disturb other people when they are using mobile application. That is it. This is how it's going to look on a mobile phone. When they are at the top or at the top, it will not show down, it will not show, but when they start scrolling down, it will show up. That's how to do that. Once you are done, click this one here. Let's go to the advanced. We are going to the offset again. Transparency, viewpoint. This one should be 27%. This one should be 9%. 9% and 27, 26, they are almost the same. Click updates. We are going to go and view this on a new page, view page, open in new tab. When you are at the top of the page, it will not show up, but when you start scrolling down, it has come now. You can see the top, from here to the top is 9%, and from here to the down is 27%. This is how it's going to do. And when you click on it, it will take you to the top, because a hash will be automatically be at the front of the website URL. That is it. When you click it, it will take you to the top, and when you are at the top, you will not see it. Even the way it comes out, it does not come out freely. Yes, it has come out fully. So when people click on it, it will take them to the top. So I'm going to save this so that we can use it on any other websites. So we are going to this container here. Container, we right click on it and go to save as templates. You enter your template name. You're going to click back to top, and you click save. Now we have officially saved it. So we click this. Let me go to other page on our website here, like on this website, our tools. This our tools has not got this top, back to top button yet, so I'm going to go and add it to it without passing through all the processes. We just pass through. So on this page you can see we don't have any back to top icon here, so I'm going to enter or click edit with Elementor. Now it has been opened. So the next thing we are going to do is we click this add section here at the top. So and you click here to add templates, and go and click my templates. We search for back to top. You can see this is it, and we're now going to click insert. This will override the design, layout and other settings of the page you are working on. Click apply. It has been applied, so let's wait for it to reload. You can see this is how it looks exactly here. It is at the left side of the page, and this is it. This is the one we just imported. So I'm going to click this icon here, go to the advanced and let it be at the right. So it is now good. Let's do it now. This is how it's going to look. You can see it has the attributes, the characteristic of the one we just did earlier. Is now going to show a little bit. You're looking at it, it should appear here, but it's not here now. Where my arrow is at presently, my cursor is at presently, it should appear there, but it's not there now because we are still at the top of the page. So it has now started coming a little bit, then it has come fully. You can see this is how it works. So when they click on it, it will take them to the top of the page without you manually needing to scroll to the top. So we click update here. It has now been updated. So let's view it on a mobile device. This is how it will look on a mobile phone. At the top, you will not see it, but when you started scrolling down, then you can start noticing that it has been coming up. You can see. So this is how it works. When people click on it, it will take them to the top of the page automatically. So let us go and view this page. View page. You can see at this page you will not see anything here, but when you started scrolling down, you can see this is it, and when we click on it, it will take us to the top. So this is how to create a back to top button or icon on your website without coding using Elementor for free. So if you know that this video has helped you, please share it with your friends. Comment with any question you have to ask via the comment section. If you get any video that you want me to create for you, please drop the comment via the comment section. I will be glad to help you out. Thank you for watching. My name is Abrazak, once again from fastknowers.com.